Stop by and take a look at the 2017 INFINITI QX60. The INFINITI QX60 is the perfect blend of luxury and practicality. This crossover SUV not only provides ample space for passengers and cargo, but also an interior that screams luxury. In addition, the QX60 offers extremely high levels of safety, all with a sleek new design. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, navigation system, power passenger seat, heated seats, remote engine start, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo with CD player, universal garage door opener, center armrest, fog lights, electronic stability control, heated steering wheel, security system, power windows. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.